YouTube mobile how to loop. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can loop our videos on YouTube mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If there is a certain video on the YouTube application on your mobile that you want to play repeatedly over and over again, for that you would have to loop the video. Now, how do you go ahead and then loop a certain video if you want to watch that video in repeat over and over again? Because what happens by default is if you go to the end of the video, it's going to play the next video if you have turned on autoplay. So to enable the loop, what we need to do is we just need to tap the gear icon on the top right of the video, which is the settings icon. From there you will see this type of interface. Now depending upon the update, YouTube might change the interface a little bit, but no matter what, it's going to be the option at the bottom. If you don't find it here, you can go to additional settings over here. As you go to additional settings, you will find the option called loop video. So now you can just turn this thing on. Now what happens is that if you go to the end section of the video and then you begin playing that video, what happens is that after this video ends, it's going to play the video from the beginning all over again, which means that as you can see, it has repeated the video from the beginning. If you want to turn it off, repeat the same steps by tapping the additional settings and turning off loop video. So this way you will be able to go ahead and then basically loop videos on YouTube mobile. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.